Hello traders, welcome back. Daily Market Analytics. I'm following up here on the Swiss Japanese yen. A few days ago I was right here telling you about this interesting opportunity that I got my eyes on straight from the watch list, and I was waiting for the right moment to strike. I think that right moment came yesterday, today. You can see that price has stretched all the way to the very edge of the setup, right? The setup, we're working here with the blue setup, which represents the short-term cycle. We also have a bigger setup coming from the weekly chart, and this is the black one. So right here on the bottom, you can find two key levels. The first one belongs to the big one, the 109.52, and this is the most important one. And we can see the reaction we had here yesterday and the day before. Price was definitely acknowledging that level as a strong support. We can see that reaction. A little bit below 109.35, there's another one. So price could actually continue to drop a little bit lower just to touch base on the last one here, 109.35, but eventually I think we should see an upside reversal, right? Because ever since the beginning of March, we've seen the Swiss Japanese yen beginning to trade sideways, and it did that in a nice fashion here, building up three legs. If I got this correct, I think we're looking at three legs, and price obviously had reached the very end of the setup, right? Touching base on that bottom support here, 109.52. At this point, I expect price to begin to turn around. Right, I expect price to begin to turn around and build up the next upside move, which should be the fourth leg, taking us back to the higher section. And here we're going to focus on 111.63. 111.63. That's going to be our primary price target. We should take notice of 110.42 as a secondary price target. Right, so now we can see price had started the day on the downside today, but I think it's probably better. It's probably a better spot to pick it up right before the turnaround. Now the only reservation we have here is if price will continue to drop, break 109.52, and then break 109.35. That's going to be enough for me to pull out altogether and look for opportunities somewhere else. At this point, I think we should be expecting an upside reversal. So there you go, Swiss Japanese yen. We're pulling the trigger on a new bullish position, even though there is some negative momentum going on right now. I will definitely come back to follow up and keep you posted. That's about that for this one, guys. We'll see you on the next.